Hello guys, welcome to automateapps.com. In this tutorial, I'm gonna explain you that the multiple ways to select an option from a drop-down using Selenium Web Driver. Right? Let's create a class first. You can give any name, uh, just like drop-down test. Check this checkbox. Okay. So go to Google and just open a site, which contains a drop-down and that we can use, just to test the drop-down and select an option from it. So let me open my site, automateapps.com, and try to search for a drop down to search for that particular post. Yeah, this is the post. So here, if you can see, there is a drop down called month, which contains options as months. Okay, so let's say if I want to select July from it, so in order to select a July option, there are multiple options provided by Selenium. Okay, which we'll go through all the options one by one. First of all, create an instance of Firefox driver. Firefox driver. Import the classes. Okay. The driver dot get. We need to give the URL of web page. And now, first we'll have to inspect that particular element in order to get the unique property of it. Okay. So just press F12 to open the console. Right click on it, inspect element. This is the select tag. Okay, it's meant for a drop down, and the ID for this particular drop down is month, and the name is test underscore month. Okay, so we can use either of both, but I'll go for ID. And whenever if we have ID, so it should be our first priority, right? Copy this. My driver dot find element by dot ID. Okay, and assign it to a variable of the element type. Okay, get an instance of the element type and assign it to a variable. Okay, import the class of element class. So what we are doing here, we are finding an element whose ID is month, and we are assigning that particular web element to this variable. Okay, now create an instance of select class. So this is the class, select class provided by Selenium to select the options from a dropdown. Okay, import this class. See here, there are three links coming. The three import links are coming for this particular select class. Okay, so we'll need to select the first one. Okay, org.openqa.selenium.support.ui. Don't go for the rest two. Okay, just go for the first one, the one which is meant for Selenium, right? Click on it, and in the arguments you need to pass the element, right? Now right here, select dot select by. See, there are three options are coming. You know, there are three ways by which you can select an option from a drop down, right? So first we'll look at the third one, select by visible text. Okay, so let's say if I want to select, let's say June. Okay, the visible text is JUN. Copy this and just paste here. Okay, here just write one line, driver dot minus dot window dot maximum, just to maximize the browser. Okay, run this code. Okay, it has opened the browser, maximized it, and now if you see the drop down, the June month is selected. Okay, now let's look at the another option. Just comment this line right here. Select by value. Okay, look at the HTML code. The value for June month is 6, right? So you need to write here 6. Run this code. Okay, see, the June month is selected, right? Comment this one. Look at the another option, which is select by index. Okay, so here the index starts from 0. So the first, just count from the first. Let's say it's 0, 1, 2, 3. Again, it's same. So for June month, the index is 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, just write 6 here, or if you write 7 here, so it will go select July. Run it. Okay, the execution is finished, and if you see at the drop down, the July month is selected. Right? So these are the three ways provided by select class to select an option from a drop down. Okay, I hope you clear with this concept, and this is it for this particular tutorial, and I'll come up with more information soon for WebDriver. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.